Given for number 2, okay, everyone can read.
The metal top of an irregular number is shaped like a regular pentagonal pyramid. Each side of the pentagonal base measures 8 inches and the upper of the base is 6 inches. The height of the pyramid is 18 inches. Find its interior volume.
Okay, so to find its interior volume, so what we're going to do, step number 1, we need to analyze the given problem. Okay, so let us identify what type of pyramid. Ano yung binigay sa ating given problem? Yes, Elocado? Okay, the pentagonal pyramid. So after identifying the type of pyramid, our step 2 is write the measure of the parts of the given pentagonal pyramid. So the 3 measurements are, okay, first we have the 8 inches, we have the 6 inches, and the 18 inches. Okay, 8 inches is the measurement of what? Okay, each side, meaning 8 inches is for the sides of the pentagonal pyramid. Now, how about the 6 inches? Okay, so the measure of the apotemp is 6 inches and the height of the pyramid is equal to 18 inches. Height of pyramid is denoted as capital letter H. So after identifying the measurement of the parts of a pentagonal pyramid, our step 2 is find the base area. Now, what is the formula in finding the base area of a pentagonal pyramid? Miranda?
Base area is equal to 5/2 side.
Okay, very good. So, the base area is equal to 5/2 times the sides times the apotemp. And then after that, substitute the measurement. We have 5/2 times what is the measure of the sides? 8 inches. And the measure of the apotemp. So, we have 6 inches. Then after that, proceed to multiplication. Multiply first the side and the apotemp. So 8 times 6? Okay, 48. Then inches times inches. Inches squared. Then after that, multiply again 48 by 5, then divide it by 2. So 48 times 5, 240. Then divided by 2, 120 inches squared. So this is the measurement of the base areas. Now, after getting the base area, what's next? Find the volume. Now, what is the standard formula in finding the volume? Yes, Babylonia. Times? Okay, times the base area times the height. So, after that, substitute. Okay, so we need to substitute the base area and the height of the pyramid. So, this will become volume is equal to 1/3 times what is the base area? 120 inches times the height. What is the height of the pyramid? 18 inches. Then after that, simplify. Okay, to simplify, first multiply 120 times 18. Or, since meron tayo anak fraction, pwede tayo mag-apply ng cancellation. Again, take note, we can apply cancellation if meron tayong fraction at the same time, divisible yung isang numerator at isang denominator. So, para ma-apply natin anak si cancellation, so yung 120 at 18, gagawin nating fraction na rin yan. Add 1 sa denominator. Again, take note anak, remember that sa multiplying a fraction, we can cancel only numerator and denominator. Okay, check natin. Do you think we can cancel 1 and 3? No. So, how about 120 and 3? Yes, because they are both divisible by 3. So, 3 divided by 3, 1. And then 120 divided by 3, magiging 40 na lang po siya. And then ano na yung denominator natin, anak? 1 na po lahat yan. Meaning, pwede na natin i-multiply lahat ng nasa numerator. So, 1 times 40. 40 times 18. 700? 720. Next, inches squared times inches. Inches cubed. So, therefore, this is the volume.